Excel has many tools to help you format text. Format means to change how the text looks. This can help make important text, like titles, easy to see and read. You can make the text bigger or darker. Most of the tools to format text are in the Home tab of the ribbon. To format text, first select a cell or multiple cells. Then, use the tools in the ribbon to change the text. You can make the text bigger or smaller by changing the font size. To change the font size, change the font size number in the ribbon. You can use bold or underline to change how the text looks. Bold makes the text darker. To bold the text, click the B. Underline puts a line under text. To underline the text, click the U. You can also do the same actions using keyboard commands. Holding down the Control key and pressing the letter B makes the selected text bold, and Control plus the U key underlines the text. Finally, you can also change the format of certain kinds of data. For example, you can format numbers as currency or percentages. First, select a group of cells. In the ribbon, select the format you want to use.